Hi, it's John from the Columbia Green Community College Library, here with another Primo tutorial. Today's tutorial is how to locate a citation for a print or electronic book in Primo. What you should do if you are looking for that is type in the title of your particular book. In this case, it is Sing Backwards and Weep, hit Library Catalog, and then hit the magnifying glass icon. When your result comes up, you will want to click onto the item record. Now, within this item record, you'll go up here into the file into the area that says Send To. You scroll through and you have a variety of options, and right here is the citation. The citation comes up in several different citation formats. The one that it is defaulted to is the 6th edition of APA. There's also the 7th edition of APA, as well as the most current one, the 8th edition. If you are working with an MLA, I would recommend using the 8th edition. The other one that you may find used at Columbia Green is Chicago, but for the most part, our professors use MLA or APA. Now, a couple things you'll want to do is you'll want to check the citation for accuracy. You can check that through any number of websites available through our online citation guide or through an MLA or APA style book. Now, copying the citation is easy. You can click Copy Citation to Clipboard. There it says the citation was copied, and you can just paste it into a Word document. I hope you have found this brief tutorial very helpful